Introducing the 2024 Volkswagen Tiguan A7 Life 2.0 TDI D in sleek grey. This stunning estate charged Jeep is a beauty both inside and out. With a 2-litre engine and automatic transmission, it's as powerful as it is efficient. Loaded with comfort and convenience, features like air conditioning, satellite navigation, and Bluetooth phone connectivity, you'll never want to leave the driver's seat. And with safety features like multiple airbags, lane departure warning, and collision avoidance braking, you can drive with peace of mind. This Tiguan has it all, from luxury trim to automatic hazard lights to a trailer stability program. And with a full multi-point health and safety check, comprehensive warranty, and manufacturer servicing, you know you're getting a top quality vehicle. Don't miss out on this amazing Volkswagen Tiguan. Call us today or visit our website michaelmoore.ie for more information.